What's up, guys? How's everyone going? So, as you all know, Snapchat's just released a new update. Oh, the update sucks. It's so bad. It's like more complicated to use, and it's just not what everyone's used to. Like, look at this. It just kind of sucks. Like, I know a lot of people might like this, but a lot of people hate it as well. Like me, personally, I don't like it. And a lot of my friends don't like it either. It's just way more complicated. Like, look at this. It just sucks. But, yeah, I mean, so basically, there's a way to get the original Snapchat back before the update. And I'm going to be showing you, like, how to get the original Snapchat back. So basically, what you want to do is you're going to want to go into XVPN, or if you don't already have this app, I recommend you go into the App Store and download it, because this app also lets you, like, if you're in a school and stuff like me, it lets you connect to the school's Wi-Fi and watch YouTube and stuff. So, yeah, it's just a really helpful app, but, like, you need this app to do this glitch, or whatever you want to call it. So basically, go into the App Store, search up XVPN, and download it. It's for free, and yeah, it's not that hard. So basically, you want to press connect there, like I just did. It will connect you, like it just did there. And then basically, once you're connected, it'll say XVPN in the top left corner next to your Wi-Fi signal. So then basically, once you've done that, you're going to go into Snapchat. Going to take a photo on this beautiful update that they just added. You're going to send it to your friend. I'm going to send it to my friend Jade. Once it's sent, you're going to back out of Snapchat. And then you're going to double tap your home button. Slide up on the apps. Go into your settings or XVPN. I just like to go into settings because it works for me in settings. Turn off your VPN. Now once you've done that, you should go back into Snapchat and it should be back to normal. Yeah, would you look at that? It's back to normal. Like, what everyone like knows and loves is back. This is the original Snapchat. I didn't cut it or anything. So yeah, just do it for yourself and it should work. So hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Alright then, see ya.